The first thing we're going to do here is look for the App Store on our desktop and open it. Once inside, we're going to find the search button, click it, go up and type in Guard24. And you don't have to watch me type this in because I'm going to make a bunch of mistakes. We'll just switch over and pretend I typed it in correctly the first time. Yes, there are two apps here. Both will work. However, we're going to use Guard24, not the one with the plus sign in it. And that's because the Android phone has the same app. And we're just going to start with the same thing everywhere. People can change if they want to later. Now you can click on the install button. It should be right here. Mine says open because I've already installed the app. Yours will say install or free. It may say free here. After it's installed, we're going to go look for it on the desktop and open it. It'll ask for a password, and the password is admin, A-D-M-I-N. That's a default password that you can change later. Now we have a screen where we enter the information about our DVR. I show a name in the video. However, obviously the name I provided is not the name of our DVR. You'll get an email that will tell you the name of our DVR, and you can put that here instead of the string that I added. Okay, here are all of the fields filled in. The next one to point out is the network IP address. It'll look like an internet name that you'd put in your browser. It'll end in .net, and the full name will be in your email. The network port is always 2000, and you'll get your own user ID and a password to go with it to log into the DVR. One thing to note as you're entering the fields, always press the return key after each field so that you can get to the next field. Now you can save your information and connect to the server. Turn your phone sideways so you can see the images that come up. The buttons across the bottom of the screen will change how many cameras you see at one time. And the last one, the X, will log you out of the server or the DVR. The first button, the single block, takes you to single camera mode. And you can simply swipe to see other cameras, like this police car in the back. If you press the X, you leave the cameras and come back to the DVR info screen. This is where you put in all the information about the DVR. And at this point, you can basically leave the application because you're done.